So at the switch at the front of the garage, which has got the other one for the two-way for the two lights within the garage itself, as well as a switch which is left permanently on as control for a PIR outside lighting point. This one here is the one for the outside light that has the feed going directly to it. The reason being, it means you only take one cable then out to the outside light, which makes terminations a lot easier. Let's have a look at the connections within this switch next. So the end of our 3 core has been connected. Again, we've used yellow for common both ends. It's identified with a red tape for a switching line conductor. And then L1 and L2, it doesn't matter which way around, we've got the red and the blue of the 3 core. And once again, the blue is also identified with red over tape. We've then got a supply coming down. So we've got a feed coming down into this switch, bringing a permanent line into my actual switch for the outside light. And we've got the neutral coming in, which is terminated into a 5 amp connector block. Then the cable going out to the outside light goes out of the switch as a switching line here in red, and the black neutral goes out to the outside light itself, giving it a switching line and neutral for the outside light itself. So 3 cores connected, yellow in common, red and blue, doesn't matter which way around in L1 and L2. Feed comes down, goes into the switch, switching line goes out, and the neutrals are connected together in a connector block. And notice they're black and not blue, and these are red and not brown, so they're in colours pre-2004.